I also have a flashing light update to share with you guys. We're up to 604 unique locations over here on the U.S. map, 1,400 plus globally. In fact, approaching 1,500. First video is out of Shelton, Washington. This segment has some very intense, bright flashing lights, so if you guys are sensitive to flashing light, you might want to skip this part. But this is one of the most intense examples I think I've received so far of the hundreds that I've seen. John out of Shelton, Washington, 5/29 of 2025. Are you serious right now? This video's unedited. The original vertical video's on the right. I zoomed in on the left. That's the only thing I did to this video footage. He said this lasted all night long, and he'd never seen anything like it. This next video is out of West Virginia. It has narration. Here we go.
Finally, I've experienced a flashing light. We're here in Princeton, West Virginia.
Princeton, West Virginia, on the map. Example number 2 out of Cedar City, Utah, on the map by Chrissy, 5/25 of 2025. Got the clock flashing right here, and then a light next to the clock, a street light right there, flashing. For unknown reasons, rogue and random. And going back to Casper, Wyoming, this video was taken by James on March 3rd of 2025. This is the third video from this Home Depot that I've received this year. This goes back to March. This has been going on for several weeks. These lights have been malfunctioning at that same Home Depot. This next video also has narration by Dom out of Traverse City, Michigan. Here we go.
It's the second time we see
Yeah, that's not normal. They don't usually do that.
It's going down.
And as you heard Dom say, these lights don't normally do this. They stopped the car. 3 people got out and started recording this very mysterious, rogue and random activity. Example number 5 out of Tacoma, Washington. Brittany Hanna, who ran across a series of purple lights. I understand these lights may have a faulty component, but why would they all go faulty at around the same time? And as you can see in her video footage here, several lights, primarily on the right-hand side of the road, turned purple, rogue and randomly, very quickly, for unknown reasons. More incredible footage of the freaky flashing light phenomena that's sweeping the earth.